Good morning. As y'all know, it's a Tuesday at 12ish, 16ish, almost 12:30. This has been a super, super busy week, and it's just Tuesday. First of all, to all of you who have bought Murder in the Village and have left messages on my page and on the Midnight Publishing page, I'm gobsmacked. I really, really am. I am so humbled, so appreciative, and just absolutely amazed at the positive reactions I'm getting on this little dramedy. Yeah, I made up a new genre. It's a drama and a comedy combined. The kindness that you all have shown me and the laughter that I have witnessed as y'all have read the book, and one person in particular, Nancy, absolutely love you. I almost fell out of my chair yesterday. My friend Nancy sent me a note on my personal page and said, Vic won't give me my book back. Apparently she had started reading it, and her husband Victor absconded with it and would not return it until he had finished it. And she said, I'm hearing oohs and ahs and oh my gods, and I get it. And she says, I want my book back. She should have bought two. She said she will for the next one. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, there will be a sequel to the book. I'm already having people say, okay, when is the next one? Well, it's kind of like building a house. It doesn't happen overnight. It is in the works. I promise you, it is in the works. But fellow authors will get this, especially indie authors. We don't just throw junk out there. We allow our characters to build in our heads, and we allow them to have their voice in our books, which makes our books unique. We could be like some of the most more well-known authors out there that just throw the same plot line, the same characters with different names out there, and every 4 or 5 months throw a new book out there. We don't do that, and there's a reason for that. Especially in my head, it's very crowded. If I try to write just for the sake of throwing a book out there, it doesn't end well. The characters shut up. They will not talk to me. The dialogue is dry. The dialogue is boring. The plot is even more boring. So trust me when I say the new book is in the works. I will tell you the title. The title is Duct Tape, Tarp, and a Shovel. It is a sequel. The very first line in the book is, it all started in the middle aisle of the hardware store. Those of you who have read the book know there's little Easter eggs hidden in the book. There are things that are not closed in the book. I call them hanging participles. The end of the book leaves you asking questions. There's a reason for that. I want you to wait anxiously for the next book. I have enough fodder for many, many sequels to this series. So hang in there. In the meantime, share Murder in the Book with your friends, with your contacts. Don't share the book. Ask them to go buy it, because when they buy it, I get a little bit in royalties. And again, thank you all so, so, so much. I hope that it made your day, because it made mine writing it. As I was going back and editing and formatting, I'm reading some of the dialogue, and I'm going, where did that come from? Because I honestly, when I write, sometimes I don't remember what I've written. It's like another personality takes over. The queens in the book, you know my queens, Lola, Lola, Vicky, and Penelope. They are such strong characters that they want to be in everything because that's them. In Murder in the Village, Penelope is a hot mess. She just, yeah, you just have to read it. The other thing that is going on this week is we have started publishing children's books. And ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow on the podcast that Mary Brotherton and I do, we will be discussing publishing children's books and the difference in publishing children's books versus publishing a regular novel. It's a whole different world on Kindle and in the paperback. We will be discussing the differences in sending it out to a third-party AA private printer where you have to buy 300 copies in order to make it worth them running the print, because every time they do a run, it costs them money. So they have to recoup their money somehow. So they have to give you a minimum of books to purchase once that print run is done. That can run into thousands of dollars. Where when I do it here on Amazon, you can order as many or as little author copies as you want at any given time. We will be discussing what I as a publisher need from you if you decide to write a children's book, what I need and how I need it. So join us tomorrow. This is going to be a packed hour and a half. If you have questions about publishing in general or in particular, please send either myself or Mary a message or post it up on Midnight Publishing, because we will answer your questions. If you haven't joined my Off the Chain Facebook page, please do, because that is where the live goes up. Yes, once the live is over, I post it on our website, I post it on YouTube, I post it on my personal page, I post it everywhere that I have pages. My indie author page, where authors can go and put up their books to get, and they don't even have to be my authors. Any author can put their book up there. My Off the Chain page, which is my podcast page from Blog Talk Radio. My personal page, of course, it's going live here from Midnight Publishing. So ask your questions, because we will answer them. Thank you again, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, and Mary Brotherton and Linda Humphrey, your children's books are coming along nicely. They are up on Kindle. They're up for pre-order. They will soon be up in paperback. And what I am asking Mary and Linda to do, and this is still in experimental stages, is for them to record their children's books, send me the recording, and then I'm going to put that up as an Audible. So the author will be reading their children's books. This will be so exciting for our publishing house, because I don't think it's ever been done before. And you know I go where angels fear to tread. So watch out for Cornfield Flyers in East Tennessee by Linda Humphrey, My Angel Book, and Sally's Heart by Mary Brotherton. I am so happy they are here at Midnight Publishing. It's opened up a whole new world. I will also be publishing Mary's book, Step by Step. That is coming next. That is an adult book. And it is a very interesting adult book. So join us tomorrow. Thank you for your support. Continue to support us. If you haven't read the beginning of my drag queens, go and order the Pink Canary. You will get an education into my drag queens. You will understand my drag queens better. So until tomorrow, thank you so much.